famous In-N-Out burger.
Yeah. Kanang manhi og Northern California. Northern California ra lang In-N-Out burger.
I don't know.
Kay manha gyud sila og In-N-Out. Okay, it's actually good. Napoy famous one sa Southern California nya available dire. Shake Shack ang pangalan. I like In-N-Out better. Although Shake Shack have kuan fancy drinks, kanang non-alcoholic drinks.
Okay, let's go. Oh, long line.
Oh no. Oh, not too long. Not too long. Aisha.
In-N-Out, here he comes.
Oh, that's a nice car. What is that car?
Ayun.
What is the maker?
I don't know.
I like that car. Oh.
Mo din niya mong gi-order sa In-N-Out. Cheeseburger niya ang akong lalab kay gusto niya na ang fries kay well done. So mo niya cheeseburger well done fries o milkshake, strawberry milkshake. Niya ako kay regular fries lang siya nga pagkaluto. So mo na mong order niya. Moadto pa mig Home Depot. Home Depot.
Oh, they're not here anymore. Dana no.
Yeah.
Dana ang season.
Bulb. Look for bulb. There. Light bulb. Nagpalit mi og strawberry diri 20 $20
For a box.
for a box. Cheaper, I think.
Okay, I have this.
Thank you so much.
Mucho gracias.
Muchas gracias. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Mao ni rason nga nang gawas mi. First, na might make lunch sa In-N-Out Burger kay gimingaw mi og In-N-Out Burger. Strawberry milkshake. And unexpected, nakapalit mi isa ka box nga strawberry worth 20 $20. Onya Nick the Greek na yogurt, paborito sa akong wife. And unsa nalalap?
It's like a donut hole,
It's like
freshly made,
donut holes.
Greek style.
Oh yeah, Greek style nga donut holes.
I haven't tried it. First.
Onya mao po niya mong gipalit.
Para sa range hood.
Para sa range hood kay na off. So off we go home.